Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we will discuss about pair of linear equations in two variable. Assignment number 3. Now we will discuss first question. 10 students of class 10 took a part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and the number of girls who took part in the quiz. Number of boys to be X, number of girls to be Y. Let the number of boys to be X, the number of girls to be Y. Given the total number of students equal to 10, total number of students equal to 10. Now x plus y equal to 10 in equation number 1. According to the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. According to number of girls means y is equal to 4 more than number of boys. Number of boys x. 4 more than means positive plus 4. Now here second equation y is equal to x plus 4. Substitute in equation number 1. X plus y equal to 10. Y value x plus 4 equal to 10. So x plus x 2x. 2x plus 4 equal to 10. So 2x equal to 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are cancelled. X equal to 3. It will be the number of boys. Number of boys equal to 3. Number of girls. Now x value substitute according to y is equal to x plus 4. X value 3. 3 plus 4 7. The number of girls equal to 7. So number of boys 3, number of girls 7, total 10. Its number of students also 10. So now second question answer. Second question. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimension of the garden. Once read the question. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimension of the garden. Let the width of the garden to be x. Width of the garden to be x. Length is x plus 4. Length is x plus 4. Length is 4 more than its width. Width to be x plus 4. According to half of the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meters. So according to perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Now therefore half of the perimeter means 1 by 2 into L plus B. So 2 cancel. So therefore L plus B equal to answer is 36. It's given. L answer is here length of x plus 4 plus breadth x 36. X plus x 2x plus 4 equal to 36. So 2x equal to 32. So 2 ones are 2 16s are x value is 16. So now answer. Therefore the breadth is or width is 16 meters. Length is x plus 4. 16 plus 4 means 20 meters. The dimensions of the garden, length is 20 meters, width is 16 meters. Next, third question. Next one, third question. In a 10th class, if 3 students sit on each bench, sit on each bench, one student will be left if four students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches. in the in that class. Sir, once read the question. In 10th class, if 3 students sit on each bench, one student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. Here, number of benches and number of students. Let the number of students to be x. Number of benches, the number of benches to be y. Number of students x, number of benches y. According to first line, if 3 students sit on each bench, 3 students sit on each bench. Here bench y. 3 students means 3 into y. One student will be left. Students to be x. So one student left means here x minus 1. So now getting 3y, x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. In equation number 1. Now second one, if 4 students sit on each bench, one bench will be left. So now 4 into 1 bench left means y minus 1 equal to 4 students sit on each bench, one student will be left. So it will be there x. So now multiply here 4 into y, 4y minus 4 equal to x. Here in the equation number 1, in equation number first one, here 2, 3y equal to x minus 1. Its minus 1 will be getting here 3y plus 1 equal to x. This x value will be substituted instead of in the second equation 4y minus 4 equal to x. X value 3y plus 1. 4y minus 4 equal to 3y plus 1. So here number is getting in this side. 3y will be getting left side. 4y minus 3y equal to 1 plus 4. So y equal to 5. So y value means here the number of benches equal to 5. The number of students means y value substitute here 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. So therefore the number of students equal to 3y plus 1. Here x value, number of students, x equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 equal to 16. The number of benches equal to 5. This is the third question. Next, last question. Fourth one. Which of the following is not a solution of the equation 2a plus b equal to 5. Which of the following is not a solution of the equation 2a plus b equal to 5? So option A 1 comma 1, option B minus 2 comma 3, option C 4 comma minus 1, option D 1 comma 7. First one answer. This is A and B, C, D options are in this equation. Which pair will be substitute of A and B equal to 5 means that is solution, otherwise it's not a solution. Now here is not a solution of the equation. First one substituting 2a plus b equal to 5, a value 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 5, so 3 equal to 5 means it's not equal, it's not a solution. So next one minus 2a plus b equal to 5, a value minus 2 plus b value 3 equal to 5, minus 4 plus 3 equal to 5, minus 1 is not equal to 5. It is also not a solution. Next 4 comma minus 1, 2a plus b equal to 5. Here 2 into 4 minus 1 equal to 5. 2 4s are 8, minus 1 equal to 5. Here 7 not equal to 5. Last one 1 comma 7. 2a plus b equal to 5. 2 into 1 plus 7 equal to 5. 2 1s are 2 plus 7. It's 9, not equal to 5. So observe which of the following is not a solution of the equation. It's this all are, it's not a solution of the equation. So today's assignment is over. Thank you everyone.